If you're getting ready to build a website, you may be a little overwhelmed with all the options that are available to you. My name is Nicole Salk, and I own a website design business called Ventus Design Studio. I've been building websites for over 20 years, and I work with small businesses to build them websites that work as an investment to make them money and save them time. When the internet first started, there was really only one way to make a website. But as technology has advanced, so have your options. My favorite way to build websites and how I build websites for all my clients is using WordPress. And here's why. WordPress is the most popular way to make a website today, and over 40% of the internet is made using WordPress. That's about 835 million websites, so it's a lot. WordPress has been around for about 20 years and is still going strong, so because of that, it is very stable. Because of this, it's way less likely that you have to worry about the platform you picked to build your website changing or going away. It's also great for search engine optimization, which is also known as SEO. SEO is when your website gets found because it's ranked higher in search engine results. With WordPress, you have a lot more freedom about what you can edit versus other platforms that may restrict you. Because of this, you may have more options to make adjustments for things that may boost you higher up in the search engines, which might not be available for you if you go with other companies and other platforms. There are also a lot of great SEO plugins you can install to give yourself more functionality and more options so you can really optimize your website to get higher in the search engine results. Speaking of plugins, WordPress has a lot of plugins. If you don't know what a plugin is additional software you can install to give yourself more functionality. WordPress has over 70,000 plugins, so you can almost always find something for anything you need. That includes e-commerce, membership sites, social networks, forums, e-learning, and more. And if you need something that doesn't already exist, you can always make it yourself since you have access to all of your code. WordPress is also very safe, and it's actually one of the safest softwares you can use to build your website around. They regularly push out security updates and patches, so as long as you're keeping your software updated, you should be good. And finally, probably my favorite reason why I choose WordPress is it is open source. That means that the software is freely available to modify and distribute. This is fantastic because it means you truly own your website and you have the freedom to do whatever you want with it. You can control everything, you can customize everything, and you aren't dependent on another company staying in business for your website to exist. With a lot of other page builder platforms, if that business goes away, so does your website. When you build your website with WordPress, you can always move it to another host or even install it on your own computer. Okay, so now that you know you want to use WordPress, you may be wondering what to do next. To help you out, I created a 9-step roadmap to DIY your first website. It will explain everything you need to do to make and launch your website step by step from start to finish. Check the description now for your link to download it for free. And if I was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.